son, David.
She's sassy. Love Missy.
So sassy.
They're ringing in the new year with epic recreations of fan favorite costumes, including the monster, flamingo, and hamster. You couldn't have Rose Parade Float without Flower, notably worn by icon Patti LaBelle on the show. From Grammy winners to sports stars, their motto is anyone can have it. This is the first time of the parade. We welcome them with open monster arms. By the way, Leanne Rimes, who opened our show, competed on the show as the star.
She did, and it was amazing. I actually got to judge an episode. It was so difficult to decide that who's behind the mask.
I had no idea.
I had no idea. I did guess a couple.
Okay.
Like Tyrese, I was like, I know this is Tyrese.
I did want to run. That's about the only one
It
that
was
I do.
super fun.
Well, just like leap year, World Cups, and presidential elections, Olympics only happen every 4 years. That includes the Winter Olympics, which begins February 3rd on NBC and Peacock.
Yeah, I love the Olympics. Okay, well, you know what else seems to happen every 4 years? A performance from the Gibson County Tennessee Mass Band at the Run Parade, comprised of the 5 rural high schools of Gibson County. The supergroup assembles only the rarest and most special occasions to delight audiences with their tremendous sound. And you know, a ton of planning and rehearsal time goes into prepping for each performance, and it certainly shows here today. I mean, they're like the Avengers of marching bands.
Well, they won 8 times at the Tennessee Division I Division II State Band Championship, so they're like the New England Patriots.
They're the 219 member Avengers.
Yeah, big band right there. Look at those snazzy outfits. Wow. Oh, and it's getting warming up here at the parade.
It is. What is it, 60-something now? Why do you think I need my jacket?
I know, we might have to start peeling away here.
That's right. All right, a polar bear and a sea lion and a family of penguins show up in California. No, this isn't the start of a joke, but rather this amazing Arctic dream from Oddfellows and Rebecca's. It's designed to highlight the importance of the polar regions to the Earth's climate, with hopes of achieving the dream of a secure future for all Arctic wildlife. Absolutely.
Our polar bears lead the pack right here, brought to life with white pampas grass and powdered rice. The penguin family, including that cutie taking a leap off the front, is made from light gray buffalo grass, black seaweed, and multicolored fuzzy cut straw flower. And their sea lion pal is a beautiful shade of dark brown coffee with hints of cream coconut and sesame seeds.
So sweet.
Almost 6,000 flowers used for this float. Gorgeous.
The final season premiere of This Is Us is just days away, but today's grand finale is even sooner. Country star Jimmy Allen and TikTok favorite Timothy Fletcher bring it on home as the 133rd Tournament of Roses Parade presented